Okay, here we're calculating interest. We're compounding interest. And here are the formulas. I'll show you guys in a little bit where these formulas come from. But this first formula is the one you use for when you're not continuously compounding. Okay? So, how many times are we compounding if we're compounding quarterly? This is a year. So, quarterly, how many times a year would we be compounding?
4.
Yeah, 4 times. That's right. Good job. Okay, how many times would we be compounding if it was monthly? 12. Okay, and then continuously, that's continuously. So that would be using this one right here. All right, so let me throw some information up here before we actually do this problem. The P, that is your principal, or you can say initial. This is your principal amount. That's the amount that you start with. Okay, the N is in 2 spots. That is the number of times you compound. Number of compoundings. The R, do you guys remember what R is? That's your rate. What is the T? That one is time, and usually time is years. All right, so shake it out. We have an amount right here. We have 12,000. We have 5 years, and we have 9% interest. Okay, so how would we write this out? You get your 12,000 first, because that's your principal. That's the P, and then we're going to multiply that by 1 plus, and then we're going to put our what's this thing called? A rate, and we're going to divide that by 4. Why is it 4?
Quarterly.
Yes. Because it says quarterly, we know that N equals 4. Then we're going to put a 4 right there, and we're going to multiply it by the number of years. That's your T, and then you'll get your answer. Hey, pretty magical, right? Use your calculator for this. That's all you have to do. Now, if you guys were doing the next one, monthly, N is 12. So the only thing that changes is you make this into a 12, and you make this into a 12. And then you get a new answer. You'll notice that the compounding monthly is slightly more than compounding quarterly. It's not going to be drastically different, but it is slightly more. Now, if you had continuously, that is just with the E. So we're going to go, what is it, 12,000, and we're going to multiply this by E raised to the 0.09 times T, which is 5. And then you will get the answer for that. Now that answer will also be pretty close to the other ones, and it should be slightly more. Okay, next I will show you how or why this equation works.